So we can start next exercise 10.2. Before that, you should learn one theorem. Okay, theorem 1, equal chords of a circle. So suppose this is a circle and AB and CD are two chords of equal length. These two have equal length. Okay, and AB and CD are two chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. So from these 2 points A and B, again also from C and D, if you are drawing two radius to the center of the circle, it will make here one angle, correct? And here also it is making one angle, correct? So angle AOB should be equal to angle COD. If these two chords are equal length, then we can say that it is subtend equal angles at the center of the circle. Next theorem, theorem 2. This is also just reverse of the first one. Okay, if the angles are equal, subtended angles at the center of the circle are equal, then we can say that the chords are in equal length. So if the angles subtended by the chord of a circle at the center are equal, then we can say that the both chords are equal in length. Is it clear? So let us start exercise 10.2. First question, let me draw the figure first. Okay, so case number 1, recall that two circles are congruent if they have the same radii. Okay, so we know that if two circles are congruent, that means if these two circles should have the same radius. Okay, so remember this point. We have to prove that equal chords of the congruent circle subtend equal angle at their centers. So if two circles are congruent, and we have to prove that equal chords of congruent circles, so these two chords are equal, then it is subtending equal angle at the center of the circle. That is the question. So we know that two congruent circle with, I am drawing first two circles. These two circles are congruent. So two congruent circles with the center, this is O and this is O dash, and AB is chord of the first circle, CD is chord of the second circle. Okay, and this is O is the center of the first one, O dash is the center of the second one. Okay, so we should write those statements first. Next, I am going to start proof. Okay, so we have to prove that these two angles are equal. What we have to prove? Angle AOB should be equal to angle CO dash D. Okay, so I am taking, for proving this one, I am taking in triangle AOB and triangle CO dash D. This triangle and this triangle I am taken. Okay, so from these two triangle we can write here AB is equal to CD, because it is stating that these two chords are in equal length, right? So we can write AB is equal to CD. Why? Because it is given in the question, chords are equal. And again we can write AO is equal to CO dash. Corresponding sides I am equating AO and CO dash. AO is equal to CO dash. What is the reason? It is radius of the congruent triangle. So if these two radius of the congruent circle. So if two circles are congruent, then we can say that these two radius are equal, which is a mention in the beginning of the question. Okay, so that is why I told you should remember those 2 points. So AO is equal to CO dash, because again we can write BO also should be is equal to O dash D. Next corresponding side, BO is equal to DO dash. What is the reason? Both have the same reason, so we can written it as common. What is the reason? Radii of congruent circle. Radii of congruent circle. So if two circles are congruent, then we can say that their radius are equal. So we can say that side. By using SSS criteria, we can write here triangle AOB is congruent to triangle CO dash D. SSS criteria. Okay, so if these two triangles are congruent, then we can equate their corresponding angles, right? So we can write here, or you know these theorems, because you learn in the previous chapters also. So directly we can write angle A OB is equal to angle CO dash D. Angle CO dash D. How we written here? By using CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle are equal. What we have to prove? We have to prove the same here. So the proof is over. Next, question number 2. Prove that if chords of congruent circles subtended equal angles at their center, then chords are equal. So these two are chords AB and CD. It is subtending the angles are equal. So it is given in the question. So these two angles are equal, which is given in the question. We have to prove that the chords are equal. We have to prove that AB and CD. This is another chord. So AB and CD are equal. This we have to prove. Just reverse of the previous question. Here we have to prove that sides are equal. Okay. In the previous question we have to prove the angles are equal. Here angles are equal, which is given in the question. We have to prove that sides are equal. So like the first question, we have to write the statement first. Two congruent circles with the center. Here it is O and here it is O dash, and AB and CD are the chords of the circles with the center O and O dash respectively, such that it is given that in the question angle AOB is equal to angle CO dash D, which is given in the question. We have to prove AB is equal to CD, correct? So I am starting the same statement. I am taking triangle AOB and triangle CO dash D. If we are taking these two triangles, here also we have to prove these two triangles are congruent, but we have to use not SSS, we have to use SAS, because we have one angle, two angles are equal. So we have to use this one. We can use AO is equal to CO dash, like the first question. AO is equal to CO dash, and say next also BO is equal to DO dash. What is the reason? Both have same reason, because radii of congruent circle, written the same reason. So instead of this third side, here we have to prove these two sides are equal. So I am taking the angles. Next angle I am equating, which is given in the question, angle AOB is equal to angle CO dash D. What is the reason? Which is given in the question. So by using SAS, here it is S, this is A. So by using SAS criteria, we can write triangle AOB is congruent to triangle CO dash D. SAS. So if these two triangles are congruent, then we can equate their corresponding sides, right? AB and CD. So I am equating the corresponding sides. AB is equal to CD by using which one? CPCT, corresponding sides of congruent triangle are equal. So what we have to prove here? AB is equal to CD. So proof over.